So now we're moving on to the mega study session. When are we going to do this? This is very important to understand when first. You are not going to study after. That is the main premise. You are going to do a mega study session when you know you don't have to study after. Because you will go to exhaustion or mental fatigue. That's the goal. You will do some other activity. For example, if you are going to sleep, so late in the night, you can do a mega study session. Or if you're going to watch a movie, mega study session. Or some physical activity, you're going to go gym, you're going to do dance class, you're going to do music, something in which the other activity is not studying. Because you can afford to really mentally fatigue your brain so that it recovers while you do these other exercises. Family lime, going to the mall, etc. The goal is not going to study for about 2 hours or so. Again, that 2 hours is really, really dependent on you and how you can cope with things. What's the purpose? The purpose is to maximize study time. For example, if you have 50 minutes available to you, but your medium study session is only 40 minutes, I would push, at that point in time, I would probably push to the extra 10 minutes and see what goes on. You might just need to finish the assignments, which is fine. And if you do push to the 50 minutes, then that goes a long way in extending your medium study period from the 45 minutes to the 50 or the 40 minutes to the 50 minutes. Obviously, the time over your medium study period towards the end of the 50 minutes will not be as productive, but that's fine because it really does a lot in development and in pushing you forward. How to go strong? Go strong. Finish that assignment. You do what you need to do. You could use the tips from before. All right, nice. So this is the bonus question. A lot of individuals might ask, hey, I have 1 hour before I go to bed. What do I do? Do I do 2 medium study sessions or 1 mega study session? It's a good question. It's a valid question. The answer really is dependent on you because you are the person going to do the studying. And what would be the main driving factor would be the length of your medium study session. That is why at the start I said the medium study session, in my opinion, is very, very powerful. So let's say your medium study session is 25 minutes. I know that's on the point there, you might be thinking, okay, is that really mini or medium? Let's go with medium, right? So let's say you can do 25 minutes, a very, very low number in your medium study session. You can afford to break it up and get in 2 medium study sessions with a 10-minute break. So you do a 25 minutes, you take a 10-minute break, and then you do another 25 minutes. That makes up the 60 minutes for the hour. Or if you are able to do 1 50-minute session, so let's just say your medium study session is just 50 minutes, then you can go right ahead and get in 1 medium study session. The second case is when your medium study session is actually 40 minutes. Then what you can do is simply push to the 60 minutes. So you get in, let's just say 40 minutes solid or 50 minutes solid, depending on your medium study session. And the time after your medium study session towards the end of the 60 minutes, you might not be as productive, but again, it would really push that ability to focus more and to get in some extra work. So it is really dependent on you. And just remember, you need to take account of these things, what you are doing. A stopwatch is amazing. Use the Pomodoro technique. If you have to, check out one of the videos by us. It is really amazing. I hope you realize by now that all our tips and tricks are practical, easy to implement, makes you more efficient, and helps you get those A's while enjoying it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit mystudycommunity.com to subscribe to our mailing list, where you'll get updates and more excellent content. In fact,
are you struggling to find motivation to study? Does it seem to stress you out while others have it so easy? Do you want to reduce the amount of time you take to study and still get the same amount of work done? There has to be a better, more enjoyable way, right? Well, there is. Our motivational study seminar, Paradigm Shift, will teach you the secrets to enjoy studying and get those A's and still have an active social life. Yep. Come discover the tips and tricks that are used by scholarship winners since 2010. Some of these can be found for free on our website, mystudycommunity.com. Imagine For a golden price of only $3.99, you and a +1 can gain access to these secrets. That's less than $50 per hour for a wealth of knowledge that will last a lifetime and help you in many different areas. Wow, what a positive effect that can have on your overall report card, all from attending just one seminar. It doesn't matter if you are at the top of your class or barely scraping by. We have assisted over 2,000 individuals ranging from ages 13 to 65. Yep, 65. And they have all been able to use our secret methods to their advantage. So definitely you will be able to as well. Our tips are extremely practical and easy to implement. Really simple. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Register now at mystudycommunity.com and claim your early bird ticket. See you there.